Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is continuing the retracement. After making a high of 3790, gold showed retracement, and we can see the retracement is still going on, and it was quite necessary also because the up move on gold was not healthy. Gold was continuously going up and a retracement was needed. But in comparison to the up move, the retracement that we see on the chart right now is still not enough, because if you look at the daily chart of gold, then we can see that okay, that market is still standing at the top and a good amount of retracement is due. But chances of market coming down to 3500, 3600 levels are very less. Personally, I believe that we are not going to witness any amount of crazy correction here, because for gold to come down to 3600 or 3500, we need a solid, strong fundamental reason that we do not have right now. Whatever we see on the chart is just a technical correction, and I don't think technical correction will take gold to 3500, 3600. Okay, so as of now we just need to keep our eyes on 3700. If market breaks 3700, then we can expect that okay, next target is 3650. Okay, but as of now, let's see what gold does in the next 1 or 2 days, or where is the weekly closing. Okay, but on the daily chart we can see that goal has a lot to cover in the next few days. Okay, now let's look at the trading opportunities. So let's see what we have on the 15-minute chart. So yesterday we discussed few levels, and we also discussed about a green line around 3718. Okay, 3718 acted as a good support. The support around 3738 did not work. Okay, selling pressure was quite high. Okay, and we can see the market structure is still not positive yet. Okay, but still we need to keep in mind that 3700 is a crucial level. Not only the previous resistance will be working as support, but it's also a psychological number. As I have already discussed in a previous video also, if market breaks 3700, then we can expect the correction to continue. If market fails to break 3700, we will just see a choppy or sideways market. As of now, while recording the video in the Asian session, okay, the range of gold is 3800 to 3700, and as long as market is trading between this range, you will see a sideways or range bound market. Okay, so during the day, if market comes down to 3700, we can look for a support 3700, 3705. If market takes support, we can look for a buy position, and if market breaks 3700, then you can expect a good amount of drop. Okay, and as a day trader, okay, the next support is around 367275. The green line here that I have drawn, the green line is the next support. Why are we considering? Same logic, the previous resistance will be working as support here. So the first support on the chart of gold is around 370005. If market takes support, we can buy. If it fails, you guys can go for sell position as well. Okay, below 3700 if the selling pressure is very high. And the next support will be around 3672, 3675. This one, the green line here. And these are the trading opportunities. Okay, if we see gold going down, you can see I have drawn one more line here. Let me change the color to black. Okay, so and you can see one more dotted line here I have also drawn here. Okay, if gold breaks 3729, okay, as a day trader we can look for a 50 to 60 pips drop below this level as well. The market structure is not very positive. Market is forming lower highs here, so if market breaks this 3729, we can look for a sell below this as well. Okay, how much we can expect? Initially you can expect 50 to 60 pips, but if you see that the selling pressure is very high, then we can target 80 to 100 pips as well. Okay, and as I said, as long as market is trading between 3700, 3800, okay, we will see a sideways market, range bound market. If market goes up from here, then we can look for selling opportunities around 375960 and 376566. You can see two dotted lines here. These are the two levels where we can look for a sell position as a day trade. And why are we considering? Okay, as I said, okay, you can see same logic here. The previous support will be working as a resistance. Along with that, okay, we are also using FIBO here. Okay, I drew it on the hourly chart. I can see, yeah, it was on the hourly chart. And yeah, you can see we have FIBO 50%, 61.8% retracement around 375 and 3760 area, and we are considering 376566 because the previous resistance support will be working as resistance here. Okay, so these are the reasons why are we considering, okay, these two levels as a day trading opportunity, okay, for sellers. Keep in mind, overall trend is still bullish. We should not forget it, because any amount of reversal may be very powerful. If you see that there is a sudden buying power on gold, there is a sudden big green candles on gold, then obviously you need to avoid it, because trading also needs, okay, trading also needs proper decision and common sense. Okay, so do not make the mistake. Do not trade blindly. It's your hard-earned money, so you need to protect it. So again, repeating, overall the trend of the market is still bullish. There is no doubt about it. But obviously, because of demand and supply, okay, corrections or retracements are important. And right now we can see a retracement on gold. For a proper trend reversal, we need solid fundamental reasons that we do not have yet. If gold breaks 3700, then we can expect further correction. As long as gold is trading above 3700, this yellow box, okay, you can expect market to remain sideways or choppy. And as a day trader, we can look for a buy on 370005. If market takes support, there's a good chance that market will be taking support. It's a crucial level. In case selling pressure is too high, because if we look at the economic calendar, we can see a series of news. If we see that there's a sudden selling pressure on gold, gold is going below 3700, you can look for a sell below it as well. Where is the next support? The next support will be around 3775, sorry, not 3675, 3672. Okay, the green line here. And as a day trader, you can also look for a sell below 3729 as well if market drops during the day. And if market goes up, okay, and if you see that the up move is not very convincing, volume is very low, as a day trader, you can also look for sell around 375960, 376566. Okay, the two dotted lines here. And right now, okay, I think as a trader, okay, it's better for us to, okay, wait for some time for some more clarity, because when gold was in up move, it was clear to us that we just need to follow the trend of the market. We were just looking for buy at dip, and we made hundreds and hundreds of pips, yeah, gain hundreds of pips as well. But right now, okay, things are, okay, a little bit dicey for us. Okay, so let's, okay, be patient, okay, and wait for some more clarity. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.